my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of another box. It's the Britain's Next Top Model box. And I got this from the latest in beauty. I have another unboxing already on my channel, I think, providing these all go up at the time I'm supposed to be putting them up, but you guys know what it's like. Oh, I can't get it out. It comes in a box just like this that says latest in beauty on top, and ooh, let's get into it. I'm excited. Right, okay, so we have this little book here so we can talk about what's actually in the box. And I'm going to try and find them in some kind of order. Okay. So I'm very, very excited about this. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Okay, this is the Eco Tools. We have two little blenders. These are full size. We have a smaller one and a bigger one. I love the way that they're like shaped. They have like that sharp edge to them. I love that. 50% better application than the leading prestige sponge. Alright, okay. Better live up to it, better live up to it. I can't wait to try these out. Made of eco foam technology. Perfecting Blender Duo. Full size, the Perfecting Blender Duo is designed with eco foam technology in two sizes and densities to create a camera-ready look. The large base blender is soft and flexible to create light, buildable makeup application. The mini detail blender is firmer for more precise and detailed coverage. Use sponge wet or dry. When using wet, squeeze excess water until damp. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love that. I cannot wait to try those out. If you guys want an actual video on these after I've tried them out and then do a full review of them, let me know because I can totally do that for you guys. Right, what are we seeing next? Ooh, ooh, we have a nail varnish. Lola, don't think I've heard of this brand. Lola nail polish in Neptune or Gothica. And I got mine in Gothica. So there's two different shades that you could have got. I got the purpley one. I'll just show you what I'm seeing on here. And there's basically a purpley one. Oh dear, we're not liking this. And then like a greeny one. But I think I'm happy with the colour. I mean, I would have been happy with any colour, but I like my purples. And this says Lola's range of 5 free nail polishes. 5 free nail polishes has been formulated with Expert Gel 3 technology, whatever that means, which is especially engineered to ensure fluidity as well as high gloss and resistant wear. Shades may vary. Shades may vary. Ooh, interesting. Ooh, love it, because I can't wait to try that out. Okay, next on this page, I'm trying to stick with just this page for now. Is that one? No. I can't find everything. Okay, so we have a moisture-rich hydrating mask. The hydrating mask has been formulated to thoroughly condition skin, leaving it looking and feeling refreshed and comforted. Created using an indulgent blend of natural ingredients, including the calming properties of geranium essential oil and koalin clay to ensure skin is utterly cleansed and energised. This mask can be used overnight, simply massage into the skin until absorbed and wash off in the morning. Oh, so I don't like the wash off in the morning part because I'm lazy. But apart from that, excited. Excited to try that out. It is sealed. Don't think I can smell it, but it is sealed. So there we go. And then finally on this page, something called Show. Oh my god, is this the same brand as the... I think this could be the same brand as something else, but I'm not going to ruin that for you. Yes, it definitely is. Now I've realised it definitely is, but it's a different product. This is obviously a full size. The nail varnish was a full size. The mask was, I think, probably a sample size. A weightless volumizing luxury foam with memory hold system that maintains volume, body and style with lasting hold. Key ingredients, wheat and soy protein. And I'm not going to try and read the rest of it because I don't know how you say it. Lychee. I'll really quickly open this, but I'm not going to obviously try using it because it's basically a hair mousse. And obviously my hair's up and stuff. But if you've seen my other video, or if you do go and watch my other video, you will see we did get an other, and oh my god, look how luxurious these bottles are. I love it. I love this shirt. I've never heard of it before. I bet it's like a luxury brand though. Seems like it, guys. It seems like it so far. But I'm so excited to try that out. Okay, moving on to the next page. We have a hand cream. Sugared Violet hand cream. Oh, wow, there's a lot of writing on this. It's just a hand cream. What are you doing to me? If you like your hand... It just says hand, so maybe you're only supposed to use it on one hand. I'm just kidding. Probably a typo. If you like your hands silky smooth and sweet smelling, then you've come to the right place. Our hand creams are rich in moisturising glycerin to keep your hands in tip-top condition. And the sweet scent of Sugared Violet is our favourite to take a journey into memories of childhood sweets. This is going to be Parma Violets. It's exactly like Parma Violets. Flip the lid in this handy tube squeeze, blah 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 blah. You can't eat your hands, it says. I might as well pop it on because it is unsealed. Oh my god. Hang on, let me rub it in. It had an overwhelming cream smell to it that I couldn't smell the actual sweetness. Oh, and I've also got metal, the like metal smell on my hand from these, from putting these in my ears. It feels quite... It smells just like Parma Violets. That is creepy. That is so weird. I don't like Parma Violets, but I don't mind the smell. I can't stand the taste of Parma Violets. Oh my god, they taste like soap. They're disgusting. But if you do like Parma Violets, you will love that. I still like it. I quite like the smell, but I don't eat Parma Violets. Let's just leave it there. So next on this page, I'm seeing this little guy here. Oh, so this could have come in two different scents, mulberry or rose, and I have received, I think, mulberry. This is Paul Edmonds London. That hand cream, by the way, was by Patissiere de Bain. So that's just what it looks like. I'm not sure if I actually showed you that. I can't remember, but yeah, that's what it looks like, and yeah. Never heard of it before. Sugared Violet hand cream. My hands do feel soft, I will say that. So this is an envelope your body in an explosion of euphoric bubbles. An exclusive blend of skin conditioning ingredients. Oh god, I cannot read. Ingredients including silk and mulberry extract. Ooh. Chosen for their renowned skin moisturising and softening properties. Help leave your skin deeply cleansed, nourished and revitalised and wrapped in a warm, glorious scent. Well, the other one's very similar. It's got another bit of writing for it. Both washes are paraben and sulfate free, meaning they are extremely gentle on the skin. Let's see what it smells like then. So you could have got two versions of this, and I got mulberry, I think. Oh, it smells like Schlur. Has anybody had the drink Schlur? It actually smells like that. I've already unlocked that now by accident. But yeah, I think it's a body wash then. Yeah, it's a body wash. So you could have got either of those scents in the box, and I obviously got the mulberry one. So that's interesting. I love the smell of that. It smells like Schlur. What's this? A Biosynergy gift card. £10 gift card. We have a perfect gift for you. Tell me my gift card. Ooh, so okay, so I can't really say much about this. It's a gift card for £10 for Biosynergy. I've never heard of that before. But it was like drinks and supplements if you want to get the MODDEL look when I guess it's for like weight loss and stuff, and well-being and fitness and things like that. So yeah, just a little gift card there. Ooh, I'm seeing, this must be what I'm seeing. It is, oh, it's a lip liner in nude. Ooh, just need to try this little guy out. Do you know what? I needed a lip liner. I needed another nude lip liner. I'm starting to collect lip liners now just because I don't have many of them. That's the only reason why, because I don't hardly have any. So I'm quite excited when I get new lip liners, and I'm excited about that. Next, it's Rodial. Rodial XXL Lip Liner in Nude. Full size with a soft and creamy formula. Glides on effortlessly, creating an illusion of fuller, more defined lips. We all want full, more defined lips, don't we? Anti-feathering, waterproof wear. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, I wish I could use it now. Why did I go purple? Anyway, never mind. Let's move on to the next thing. And finally, we have a few couple of things. Apparently we have a few couple of things on here. I'm just going to pop this ISO up slightly because we're very dark now. We were very dark just due to the fact it's very dark outside now. So yes, we've got a balance going on. I think that's about right for now. So, right, okay. I'm seeing a Nude by Nature. I was flipping looking for this today. Right, I already have one of these, a full-size one of these that I got in my Feel Unique box, and it's really, really good. So I'm really glad that I've got another one of these because I love it. Basically, it's a loose powder. This, I guess, is a sample size, but it's still a decent size, if you can see that there. Like, you're still going to get a fair few uses out of that, I'm telling you. And it's the Radiant Loose Powder. There's 2 grams in there. And it says, loose powder foundation is buildable, sheer to medium coverage with feather light, SPF 15, adapts to natural skin tones. Yeah, it's just really good. I really do like it. I've used it a couple of times and I've put it somewhere and I don't know where it is and I need to find it. Or I could just use this one, I guess, but I might as well use the one that's already open. I keep getting a whiff of this and I quite really like the smell of it. I do keep getting a whiff, so... Next up we have some Carmex. I love Carmex and I love the smell of Carmex. This is Carmex Original. It's a 7.5 gram pot. These are like full size. Carmex Original Lip Balm in its iconic classic jar is loved worldwide. A beauty must have, especially used before and after exposure to sunlight. Oh, I didn't actually know that. Wind or low temperatures. Recommended before and after lipstick application to preserve and restore moisture. I'm really glad I've got that. I haven't had Carmex since I was younger. Since I was like 15, 16 and I used to like, yeah. And I haven't used it since then, so I'm really excited to try that out. We've also got a simple hydrating booster. It's basically used as a hydrating primer, mixed with a daily moisturiser or applies a treatment. Oh, okay. I'm excited about that. I'm gonna use that maybe before makeup then a few times and see what it's like. Yes, I'm excited about that. We're getting lots of hydrating things and I really do need them because I'm very parched. My hair and my skin's very parched. And that's everything that we've got, guys. That's everything in this book. We've also got some little like offers in the back as well, which is really cool, so I will probably be checking those out as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it. And if you're new, please stick around, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button, guys. If you're already subscribed but you've not got the bell button hit, just give it a little tap. You will not regret it, I promise. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you lots and lots, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!